Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss introduction, definition and purpose of research. What is the meaning of research? The word research is derived from the Middle French recherche, which means to go about seeking. The term itself being derived from the Old French term rechercher, a compound word from re plus searcher or searcher, means search. The earliest recorded use of the term was in 1577. What is the definition of research? Any honest attempt to study a problem systematically or to add to man's knowledge of a problem may be regarded as research. Or research is the systematic approach to obtaining and confirming new and reliable knowledge. Or it can also be defined as a systematic and orderly study of a problem is called research. According to OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, research is creative work undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge, including knowledge of humans, culture and society, and the use of this stock of knowledge to devise new applications. What is the difference between research and scientific research? Research is investigation of a problem in a scientific manner, while scientific research is the systematic investigation of scientific theories and hypotheses through scientific method. What is hypothesis? A hypothesis is a single assertion, a proposed explanation of something based on available knowledge for something yet to be explained. Scientific research is the research that is subject to further experimentation. Why undertakes research, or what is the purpose of research? There are different purposes of research. We undertake research due to many reasons depending upon impulse behind our research, purpose of research, or due to any priority defined situation. For example, we do research because of knowledge must be reliable. Research to make unknown something previously unknown to human beings, to advance human knowledge, to make it more certain or better fitting. The aim is discovery. Discovery of a solution that advances state of knowledge in areas from theory to algorithm to prototype to experimentation to applications. To investigate some existing situation or problem, provide solutions to a problem, to explore and analyze more general issues, to construct or create a new procedure or system, to explain a new phenomena or to generate new knowledge, or a combination of two or more of any of the above. Most of the time we do research because quality research is the lifeblood of any scientific discipline. Without it, disciplines would stagnate, failing to advance past their current limits and understandings. Thanks for watching. If you like a video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.